Time for a triple play. Three stocks that we're watching in the final 30 minutes of trading. Chipotle, Microsoft, and Tesla are the stocks today. Let's kick it off with Chipotle hitting a record high. Analysts cheering the restaurant's chain's margins that they just reported here, the trends that they're seeing. They're also growing store traffic. More people are headed into Chipotle here. A solid Q1 report was enough for analysts to raise their price target, and that includes from the teams of Morgan Stanley, BTIG, and also Truist. BTIG thinks that Chipotle is in the, quote, early innings of restaurant margin improvement and does expect that trend to continue here throughout the remainder of the year. The rise in margins helped by lower avocado prices, also declining delivery expenses. And we can't talk Chipotle without mentioning pricing and their pricing power, because more customers did visit those restaurants in Q1, despite menu prices being up about 10% from where they were a year ago. So again, the stock hitting an all-time high today. Certainly something that the street is very excited about in this report.
Yeah, I mean, for you to be able to put up menu prices about 10% and still see more people coming in, given the overall environment we've been talking about, right, Dave? And we're talking about, in general, consumers maybe slowing down spending, certainly plenty of companies in the consumer space seeing that, maybe not the restaurant space, but fascinating to see them still getting more people through the door, and specifically them pointing out that some of them are low-income consumers. They said that the low-income consumer bounce back to the same level as what they were seeing from high-income consumers. Remember, last quarter, they had seen a drawback in that low-income consumer. So really not necessarily a trade down from anyone, but to see that low-income bounce back for Chipotle, those bowls are not cheap. It's not a cheap burrito.
No, but it's a lot of value, and you can't help but wonder how many people are going from a restaurant where you're sitting down to getting a burrito where you know you're going to get full. So a couple of analyst notes. Oppenheimer raised its price target to $20.50 from $19.40. Bank of America really spotted loyalty, and we talked about that with our analysts yesterday, because loyalty up 20% in the first quarter, but it's also part of their technological edge. 39% digital sales were up. It's how they have all that data on you. They know what you are trading down. They know where you were trading up. That's a huge differentiator. And B of A has a buy rating and a $2,200 price target.
Yeah, it's incredible. What's your order? A lot of value.
I'm a burrito bowl guy.
Okay, same.
Barbacoa, half and half with carnitas. What's yours? Hold on, we got to get this done.
Barbacoa and chicken.
Barbacoa is good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
What's yours?
Value,
Barbacoa, I would say, with the bowl. I'm not burrito.
Bowl.
The burritos are too hard to eat.
Barbacoa bowl for the
win. They
win.
get too messy.
There was a time in my life, Dave, where it was bowl with the tortilla on the side, and then you could basically make a burrito.
You are a pretty loyal Chipotle
I used to do
customer.
that as well.
You know, they started charging for the tortilla. It's getting expensive over there at Chipotle these days.